I love this carrot apple salad. It's delicious, colorful, uses fall vegetables, easily accessible and affordable ingredients, and comes together in no time. It also lasts in the fridge for several days, and it's perfect for when company is coming over. Let's make it. Normally I make the dressing last, but because we're going to be having fresh apples just grated, I want the dressing to be ready to pour on top right away. So let's start with the dressing. It's simple. 3 tablespoons of your favorite oil, 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, use canned or fresh squeezed, either one. I've got 2 teaspoons of sugar, and I have about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon pepper. I'm going to put that together. And of course, you can always adjust the sweetness and salt and pepper after you've mixed it. So here we go. Let's toss that up. This is it. That's all that's in the dressing. Super refreshing and light tasting. Goes perfect with the apples and the carrots. Have a little taste test. Yep, that's all you need. Super simple, clean tasting. Now let's make the salad. Grate about 4 carrots. Now we're gonna grate some apples. Peel and all. These are gonna oxidize quickly, so add your dressing right away. Parsley, cranberries, beautiful color. Mom would say it's not finished until the final parsley sprig goes on top.